Look, the Bank of Canada just made their latest rate announcement, and I guarantee your phone, your news feed, and probably your family group chat have been blowing up lately. But here's the thing, most of what you're reading, it's talking about Canada in general. It's talking about Toronto, Vancouver, national averages. It's not talking about Langley. It's not talking about Abbotsford, Surrey, Chilliwack, or anywhere in the Fraser Valley. And that's exactly what we need to talk about today. I'm Amman Rawji. I'm a realtor based right here in Langley, and I work in this market every single day. So in this video, I'm going to break down what this Bank of Canada decision actually means, specifically for buyers and sellers in the Fraser Valley and Langley market right now. We're going to cover what happened, what it means for mortgage rates, what I'm seeing on the ground right here in the valley, and what I honestly think you should do in the next 30 to 60 days. Let's get into it. So first, what actually happened? On March 18th, the Bank of Canada made their announcement. They held the interest rate at 2.25%. Now, if you're not a finance person, that's totally fine. Here's what that actually means in plain language. The Bank of Canada's rate is basically the baseline interest rate that influences what the banks charge for mortgages. When the Bank of Canada moves that rate either up or down, lenders across the country adjust accordingly. So this decision directly affects how much you're going to be paying every single month on your home in Langley or anywhere in the Fraser Valley. And here is why this matters so much right now, more than it has in years. Fraser Valley has been in an interesting position for the past several months. We've had uncertainty, we've had buyers sitting on the fence, we've had sellers wondering if now is really the right time to list. And a lot of that hesitation comes back to one single thing: people waiting to see what the rates do. Well, that wait is over. Here's what I'm seeing right now in the market. And this is the stuff you won't read in the national news articles. Inventory in Langley and the Fraser Valley has been climbing. That's no shocker. That's actually good news for buyers because you have way more to choose from than you did a year ago. But here's the flip side. When the rates shift and buyer confidence comes back, and it is, that inventory gets absorbed real fast. I've had clients this week alone asking me, should we wait a little longer? And my answer is the same every time. The worst thing you can do is wait for the perfect moment, because the moment rates drop and confidence picks up, and that's already starting, multiple offer situations come back, competition comes back, and the leverage you had as a buyer today, it will not be there 6 months from now. Now let's talk about something that doesn't get enough attention in the Fraser Valley conversation: the Surrey Langley SkyTrain. This is happening. Construction is underway, and what rail does to real estate values around it historically, everywhere in the world, is significant. Areas along that SkyTrain corridor are going to look very different in 3 to 5 years. And the buyers who get in before that infrastructure is complete are the ones who are truly going to build real equity. I've seen this happen with the Evergreen line. I've seen it happen with the Canada line. The pattern is always the same. And right now, with the mortgage rates where they are, with the inventory up, and with that infrastructure coming, you have a window. Now, what if you're a seller? Honestly, this is where you need to be strategic. If you have a properly priced home in Langley or the Fraser Valley right now, the conditions to sell are better than they were 3 months ago. The key word here is properly priced. Overpriced homes are sitting. If you want to know what your home is worth right now, specifically in this market, not some algorithm's guess, reach out to me directly. I'll give you a real number based on real comps in your neighborhood. My number is down below in the description. So let me give you my spring 2026 prediction for the Fraser Valley. I'm going to be direct about this because I think you deserve a real opinion, not just, well, it depends. I believe we are entering an active spring market in the Fraser Valley, not a frenzy like 2021, let's be real, that was unusual, but a healthy, competitive market where properly priced homes sell, buyers have good options, and the longer you wait on either side of that transaction, the harder the decision becomes. The rate environment is stabilizing. Inventory is available, the SkyTrain is coming, and Fraser Valley, Langley, Abbotsford, Chilliwack, Surrey remains dramatically more affordable than Metro Vancouver. People are still moving here. Young families are still choosing this area because of exactly that affordability gap. And that demand does not go away. Here's the bottom line, guys. If you're a buyer, get pre-approved this week, not next month, this week, so that you know your number, your neighborhood, and when the right home comes up, you want to be ready to move. If you're a seller, have a conversation with a realtor now, not to list tomorrow, but to understand what your home is actually worth and what the market looks like for your specific property type. And if you want that conversation to be with me, I'm happy to do it. No pressure, no sales pitch, just a straight conversation about your situation. I do this every day. This is my backyard, and I genuinely want to help you make the right decision for your family. If this video was helpful, hit that subscribe button. I put out content covering the Fraser Valley and Langley market every week. Real numbers, real talk, no fluff. I'll see you in the next one.